so right now we're gonna be rethreading this machine so we can start hemming those pants afterwards, but I'm gonna give you a little walkthrough on how to rethread and how to function a sewing machine. Alright, so right now we're threading the bobbin, so we have the spool up here and we hook it through this here hook. And now what we're gonna do is spin the string around the bobbin a couple times. And then you're gonna thread the string through this here hole.
First try.
And then after you thread it through, you're gonna wanna spin it around a couple more times. So we have the bobbin up here and we have this set to wind. And now I'm just gonna press this here pedal and it's gonna wind it up for us. It's gonna wind it up! I have to turn the machine on. Wind it up. And there we go. Now our bobbin is winded. So now we gotta put the bobbin in its place right there. And we gotta thread the bobbin through this here hole. All right, now it's set. All right, so now we have the top string threaded through. We take it from the spool and we'll bring it over to this hook right here. And then that goes around that hook. And then you go under these tension rings. And then you had to make sure that you lift it up, that metal piece right there, to thread it through, and then it comes up to that hook, and then down again to that little hook, and then through that square piece, and then through the needle.
Okay, so we're gonna turn this knob towards us, and that brings the needle down to catch the bobbin thread, and then